Hi children, welcome back. In previous class we discussed about the snake bite and how to do the first aid, right? So now another insect bite or any dog bite. In case of dog bite, in case of dog bite, then we should wash the wound with the soap water. Why? Because dog bite, in dog saliva there is a virus. If the dog is infected by the virus called rabies virus, अगर वो डॉग इन्फेक्टेड है रेबीज वायरस से, समझो वो कुत्ता आपको काटा है, then it injects the virus into your blood. If that virus spread into your body, then you are going to suffer from rabies disease. So that whenever a dog bites, then definitely wash the wound with the soap water. The detergent water can able to successfully kill the microbes, right? So that's why the elders suggest us wash our hand with the soap before eating. Why? Because while eating, many microbes they enter into our body. That's why it is our responsibility to clean our hands. Okay. Here it is about the dog bite. When the dog bites, then we should clean the wound. We should clean the wound with the soap water, right? And place a bandage here. Then ask the patient to go to doctor. Then doctor will give anti-rabies injection. Anti-rabies injection. It is about dog bite. Whereas in case at home, while you are playing or doing something, if accidentally burns, now about burns, let us see what is meant by burn. Burn will be caused by the flame or otherwise in a hot object. We will get burn because of hot object or otherwise fire, right? For example, your mother cooking something with oil, so you just disturbed her. So while cooking with the oil, if oil gets spilled, then what happens? It falls on your body and it causes bristles or blisters. It causes blisters. Blister का मतलब पोड़ बोलते हैं ना, पोड़ पोड़ मतलब स्किन बिकम रेड. फॉर एग्जांपल लेवल्स रहते हैं, वो बर्निंग में भी लेवल्स रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ द बर्न इज स्मॉल, if the burn is small, if the burn is small, then the area becomes red, the skin becomes red, right? So immediately what we have to do, simply clean your hand under cool water, under cool water, clean your hand under cool water. So this cool water, what it do, whatever the burn that you got, it cools down and it never allows the अंडर लेयर ऑफ द स्किन टू बी बर्न. जो अंदर का स्किन लेयर रहते हैं ना, उसको चोट ना पहुंचने के लिए क्या करना है? पानी का फ्लो में हाथ रखना है, ठंडा पानी का, राइट? सो द बर्न विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. नंबर वन, समझो अगर इट इज मेजर बर्न, अगर इट इज मेजर बर्न, वो बर्न मेजर है, तब इट फॉर्म्स द ब्लिस्टर. इट फॉर्म्स ब्लिस्टर मतलब यहाँ सूजन आ जाएगा, आपको यहाँ सूजन आ जाएगा. समझो ये सूजन आने के बाद, वो सूजन आने के बाद इट बर्स्ट आउट. इट इज कॉल्ड ब्लिस्टर. इट इज कॉल्ड ब्लिस्टर. दिस ब्लिस्टर विल burst out. It breaks. When it breaks, it leaks the watery material. It leaks watery material. Then we have to clean the wound. We have to clean the wound with the water and expose it to dry air. We should expose it to dry air, and if it is possible, wash it with antiseptic lotion like Savlon or Dettol. By using those antiseptics, you can clean the wound, and you can use povidone iodine powder, povidone iodine powder to heal the wound if the blister get bursted. That is about medium wound. If the burn is heavy, if the burn is heavy, समझो आग लगा हुआ है बॉडी को. Already I told you, roll, stop, drop, roll, we discussed. If burning occurred, if the skin become burnt, then we have to pour cool water on him. By pouring water, we can reduce the effect of burn. We can reduce effect of burn. It is better to cover, or otherwise we have to pour water on him. Then successfully we can reduce the burn and immediately take him to the hospital. Then doctor will cover the wound with the silver coated wrappers or something to heal it, right? Aluminium foil or silver foil. they use in the hospital, they use, right? So if burn is more, then they are going to apply the burner, the ointment, right? We use like that. In case of heavy burn, you can pour water on him, on the wound. Okay, so that is about burning, that is about burning and how to heal it, burning and how to heal it. Okay, have you understood burns? If it is little burn, no need to go for the doctor. The skin become reddened and there is no blister, मतलब सूजन नहीं आते, ओनली रेडनिंग बनता है, तब पानी का फ्लो में हाथ लगा तो कम हो जाएगा. अगर नंबर 2 ब्लिस्टर आ गया, समझो ब्लिस्टर का मतलब सूजन आ जाएगा, पोर्ट आ जाएगा, उसमें पानी मिल रह जाएगा. वो पोर्ट ब्रेक होने के बाद पानी लीक आउट होता है, उसे ड्राई करके अच्छा गर्म पानी से अच्छा धो के एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन लाइक डेटॉल राइट, और अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज सैवलॉन, एंटीसेप्टिक्स यूज करके आप क्लीन कर सकते हो, राइट. एंड नेक्स्ट, इफ हेवी बर्न इज देयर, आप देख रहे बर्निंग हो रहे, तब पानी डालना अच्छा तरीका है to reduce the burning of the skin, and immediately you should take the patient towards the doctor. So this is first aid that we do during the burning. Let us see injuries. What we have to do during injuries. समझो इंजुरी हो गया, तब क्या करना. Okay. Now next one is the injury or wounds. We call it as wounds or injuries. Okay, now see, समझो आप खेल रहे, so you are playing something and suddenly you fallen down on the ground, on the floor, so definitely you are going to get wound. And what happens, from the wound blood leaks out, if it is minor wound में भी और differences है. If it is minor wound, there is no bleeding. अगर समझो छोटा सा है, चोट लगना छोटा सा लगा हुआ है, तब we don't need to apply anything, just wash the wound with the water or antiseptics. You could use Dettol and Savlon antiseptics and clean the wound. Why? Because when you fall on the floor, the dirt material will struck on the wound, so that it is better to wash it well, clean it well with the antiseptics, right? So this is the way for the minor wound, and you could apply iodine powder or otherwise iodine gel as antiseptic, right? And after that, if the wound is heavier, if the wound is heavier and cut is more, then it leaks out more blood. Here in this situation, we have to clean the wound with the soap water first. And then remove the dirt material that stuck in the wound. क्योंकि यहाँ चोट ज़्यादा है, क्या होगा ज़्यादा होने से, whatever the viruses or bacteria that is present, the main bacteria that is present in the soil is tetanus bacteria. This tetanus bacteria, it enters into the blood through the wound and it causes your muscle to damage. This tetanus. That's why immediate after getting the wound, we have to clean the wound and we should take an injection called tetanus toxoid. In short, we call it as a TT injection. Have you listened this? TT injection, tetanus toxoid इंजेक्शन. जब भी कभी कट होता है या चोट लगता है, आपको टीटी इंजेक्शन लेना पड़ता है. समझो ये चोट भारी है, बहुत डीप वुंड है. इन केस ऑफ डीप वुंड, द वुंड इज डीप, द कट इज डीप, then it causes heavy bleed loss. In such cases, just simply take the ice cube and apply at the area of the wound, then it stops the bleeding. Even though if bleeding is not stopping, bleeding is going on, अगर खून बह रहा है without any stoppage, then you could cut, you can apply the tourniquet. By applying tourniquet, you can stop the blood flow to the particular part. In such a way, we can stop the bleeding. And when the wound is more, the fellow requires stitches. The patient requires stitches. सो स्टिचेस डालने के बाद वुंड स्लोली हील हो जाएगा। समझो जब भी कभी वुंड लगा है, इंजर हुआ और चोट लगा है, चोट जल्दी ठीक होने के लिए अपन वुंड को क्लीन रखना जरूरी है। जितना क्लीन आप रखते हैं वुंड को, उतना जल्दी वो कम हो जाएगा। अगर आप if you neglect, if you don't cover it with a vapor, if you don't add any bandage on it, if you don't cover it with the bandage, right, it causes heavy infection. समझो आप क्लीन नहीं रखा है वुंड को क्लीन नहीं रखा है, तब क्या होगा, वो बैक्टीरिया और वायरसेस दे एंटर इनटू द वुंड एंड दे कॉजेस इन्फेक्शन, दे कॉज इन्फेक्शन। when there is infection means the harmful microbes entered into our body. In our body there are some cells which can fight with the microbes. They are called white blood cells. White blood cells, they fight with the germs. So in this fighting, some white blood cells, they die and they leaks out in the form of pus. PUS, pus, in the form of pus, white color material वो वुंड से लीक होता रहता है। जब ऐसा हुआ समझो, कुछ बैंडेज वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगाना, वो पूरा ड्राइन करना, ड्राइन मतलब निकाल देना वो व्हाइट कलर सब्सटेंस को, और वुंड को ड्राई रखना, वेट नहीं रखना। और वेरी नेसेसरी इज दैट definitely you should take care about your wound. No flies, no insect should lick the wound. कोई कीटाणु या इंसेक्ट्स वो वुंड को टच नहीं करना, नहीं तो वुंड बढ़ जाते रहते, राइट। दिस इज अबाउट वुंड्स एंड टेकिंग केयर, वुंड्स एंड टेकिंग केयर, राइट। अगर खून बहुत निकल रहा है मतलब सिंपली अप्लाई इट विद द आइस क्यूब, राइट। नेक्स्ट कम टू नेक्स्ट इंजुरी। जब भी कब अपन को पस निकलता है ना, पस अगर व्हाइट कलर डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है तो तब सिंपली यू कुड डू वन थिंग, दैट इज क्लीन इट विद अ वार्म वाटर, मैन, इट हेल्प्स यू क्लीन इट विद वार्म वाटर, ओके। एंड नाउ लेट अस सी अबाउट द ब्रोकन बोन्स, अबाउट द broken bones and sprains, right? The broken bone is nothing but it is called as fracture, it is called fracture, right? So here खेलना कूदना में अगर आप रनिंग कर रहे हैं, सडनली आप गिर गए, थक चोट लगता है, कुछ सिचुएशन में बोन ब्रेक भी हो जाए, राइट। सो इस बोन ब्रेकिंग को क्या कहता है, फ्रैक्चर ऑफ द बोन, फ्रैक्चर ऑफ द बोन। सो यहाँ अगर बोन फ्रैक्चर हुआ तो अपन we are unable to guess that whether bone is broken or not. Why? Because here swelling is common for the two situations, even though slight bending of bone and breaking of bone, both they show swelling, सूजन आ जाता है यहाँ पे, इसलिए what you call, we are unable to detect whether it is broken or not. So it is better to take an X-ray, or immediately चोट लगा or the person unable to move the hand now, is getting pain while moving the hand, then simply we have to tie a towel around his neck, right, to support the hand, अगर पाँव का bone fracture हुआ, then we have to give him support. When the bone is fractured, the patient is unable to move the particular organ, he feels heavy pain, right? By that we can guess, okay, bone is fractured. Then first aid, we should not turn it, we should not move the bone further, simply we have to wrap a towel around the hand and around the neck of the patient, okay. Then send him to the hospital. After taking X-ray, the doctor will assess, okay, what bone is broken and how to heal it. Is going to apply the POP, plaster of Paris, पट्टी लगाते हैं हड्डियों का, right? So like this we can save. And sprains मतलब यहाँ जॉइंट में कोई डिस्टर्बेंस हुआ तो स्प्रेन्स आएगा आपको। बोन ब्रेकेज इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्चर, वेयर स्प्रेन इज नथिंग बट डिफिकल्टी इन द जॉइंट्स, समझो खेल रहे कूद रहे, अगर कुछ उठाने की कोशिश किया, यहाँ अगर कुछ जॉइंट्स में गलत हो गया तो स्प्रेन्स आ जाएगा, इसमें भी सूजन मिलता है, राइट। एंकिल आप फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, आप स्टेज डाउन स्टेज चल रहे, suddenly when you turn your leg, then there should be dislocation of the bone, or otherwise there should be disturbance in the what you call joints, and disturbance in the joint, it causes sprains, heavy pain. At that time we should keep the particular sprain part in the cold water first, and from the next day in the warm water, cold water and warm water. And we can wrap a elastic wrapper, elastic wrapper मिलता है उसे बांध देने का. And as well as we should not move the sprain region, जहाँ भी जो दर्द है ना उसे हिलाना नहीं, 1-2 दिन वैसा ही रखना है, सेट हो जाएगा वो, बाद में you could able to move it, right? And this is about sprains, this is about sprains. Or otherwise immediately अगर आपको रिलीफ मिलना बोले तो you could apply Volini or Move sprays are there, sprays, pain reliever sprays. You could apply sprays and rub it, right? So this is about first aid in different conditions, first aid in different conditions, right? So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.